Alright folks, short update what's happening here in a long chopper build project. So I finished the main weldings of the frame. Of course the neck support is missing, and then engine bracket is missing in the top rail. I will do that later when I will be sure that everything is in line, because now it's not in line. I'm not happy with the geometry. Anyway, just I put all together 18-inch wheel. Suspension is too long, to put it this way. So, and I don't like it. It's too steep. I want a bigger angle, so I will have to relocate the back brake support down, so that I have room for suspension to put it this way, something like this way. Yeah. Otherwise, everything more or less is in as per my plan. Just to show some of my welds. Yeah, not professional. Far from professional, but it will hold. Definitely. My main concern is the straightness. Everything is more or less straight. I saw so many really wrecked Harleys on my road, like when the two wheels are absolutely not in line. This one is more or less in line, but the neck goes little bit this way, just maybe a few millimeters, and on the long fork it can make some impact, of course. Otherwise, when you ride, I guess you just don't notice that. But that's more in my mind. All right, cheers, thanks for watching.